Alright, what's up you guys? So it's not a moto vlog today. I'm a little shook up right now. This is kind of the weirdest thing that, it's just really weird. So I'm sitting here working on the 450, enjoying a nice cold can of freedom, and this chick walks up, and it was like, she kind of scared me a little bit. I'm not sure like where she came from. I don't know if it was from that direction or that direction. So she walked up and she goes, like I said, I'm just sitting, I'm working on the 450, you know, checking out the purple. And she goes, "Hey, I'll give you a BJ and a slice of taco pizza for some toilet paper." And I thought, like, the world is just going crazy. I couldn't believe this, you guys. It was the weirdest thing I've ever encountered. But just be on the lookout. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure she went that way. So be on the lookout. I'm not exactly sure, but I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Happy Easter, and I will catch up with you guys later. Peace.